The clock is ticking, and we are hurtling towards the future faster than ever before. Can you imagine what travel will look like in just a few decades? It's more than just getting from point A to point B. It's a transformation that will make today's modes of transport seem primitive by comparison. Buckle up, this is not just a glimpse into the future. It's a leap into a world of innovations that will redefine everything we know about travel. Hyperloops. First, let's talk about the hyperloop, an idea popularized by Elon Musk that could change how we view land travel. Picture this. You step into a sleek pod, and within minutes, you're zooming through low-pressure tubes at speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour. That's faster than most airplanes today. Instead of spending hours on congested highways, a hyperloop ride could take you from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes. Imagine not just in the US, but globally, connecting entire continents via underground or underwater hyperloops. A trip from New York to London in just under an hour could soon be a reality. Flying cars. Next up, flying cars. We've been waiting for these since the 1960s, but they may finally be ready for takeoff. Several companies are racing to develop electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles that could make your daily commute a breeze, literally. These vehicles will be small, autonomous, and emission-free. Picture a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past, and your flying car effortlessly navigates through the skies, landing you on top of your office building in minutes. Autonomous vehicles. While we're talking about the future, let's not forget autonomous vehicles. In the near future, the days of steering a car yourself may be over. Fully autonomous, AI-driven cars are being developed that will not only drive for you but also communicate with other vehicles, reducing accidents and optimizing traffic flow. Tesla, Waymo, and countless other companies are perfecting this technology, aiming for a future where you simply input your destination, sit back, and let the car do the rest. Imagine a road trip where you can catch up on sleep, read, or watch a movie, all while your vehicle smoothly drives you across the country. Traffic congestion? Gone. Human error? Eliminated. In just a few decades, the very concept of driving will be outdated. Space tourism. Now let's blast off, literally. Space tourism is no longer a distant dream but a burgeoning reality. With companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic leading the charge, it's likely that within the next 20 years, commercial space travel will be accessible to more than just the ultra-wealthy. Spaceports will become as common as airports, offering flights that give you a once-in-a-lifetime view of Earth from above. Orbital hotels are already being planned, where you can experience zero gravity while sipping a cocktail miles above the planet. And with future advancements, space colonies on the Moon or Mars might just be your next vacation destination. Supersonic travel. For those who prefer to stay closer to Earth but still crave speed, supersonic jets are making a comeback. Concorde may have been retired, but new and improved models are in development. These jets will travel faster than the speed of sound, slashing transcontinental travel times in half. Imagine flying from New York to Tokyo in just a few hours. This will be possible thanks to quieter, more fuel-efficient engines that minimize the infamous sonic boom. Companies like Boom Supersonic are at the forefront, and with sustainable aviation fuels becoming more prominent, the future of air travel could be both fast and environmentally friendly. Virtual travel. For those who want to experience the world without leaving their homes, virtual reality will take travel to an entirely new level. Full immersion VR experiences will let you visit the pyramids of Giza or hike the Great Wall of China without physically being there. You'll feel the wind, hear the sounds, and even smell the local food, all from the comfort of your living room. While nothing may truly replace the real thing, VR will open up opportunities for those who can't travel due to time, money, or other constraints, offering the chance to explore the world in ways we never thought possible. The future is already here. The future of travel will be faster, smarter, and greener than ever before. Hyperloops, flying cars, autonomous vehicles, space tourism, and more are on the horizon, poised to revolutionize how we experience the world. Well, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content, but remember, the clock is ticking, and soon, the way we travel will look more like a sci-fi movie than anything we've ever known. The question is, are you ready for it?